Mimi and the Missing Bell. Mimi was a playful kitten who loved chasing butterflies. Around her neck was a tiny bell that jingled merrily wherever she went. She liked the sound so much that she would prance and pounce just to hear it ring.
One sunny morning, Mimi woke up and stretched, only to realize her bell was gone. She looked under the bed, behind the curtains, and even in her food bowl, but there was no sign of it.
Mimi wandered into the garden, feeling quite sad. Just then, a wise old owl perched on the fence called out, "Why so glum, little kitten?" "I lost my bell," Mimi sighed. "Ooh, perhaps it's hiding somewhere fun," hooted the owl. "Try following the butterflies. They know all the secret places." So Mimi chased a bright yellow butterfly across the garden. It fluttered past the roses and over to a patch of daisies. There, sparkling in the sunlight, lay Mimi's bell. Mimi purred with joy. She slipped her bell back on and twirled in circles, making it jingle louder than ever. From then on, she always checked to make sure it was secure before going to sleep, and she never forgot how a wise owl and playful butterflies helped her find it again.